Good morning, everyone. Welcome to HXR Conference 2026. I'm Ash. I'm the co-lead of HXR Conference this year. Shall we begin? So, 4 years ago, a group of students at Harvard started this conference with a simple belief that the future of how we experience in the world is changing. And we should be part of the conversation, right? So today, Harvard XR has grown into the world's largest student-run XR conference. We are living a moment of real transformation, like the boundaries between the physical and digital are dissolving. AI is learning to understand space. New devices are putting spatial computing into the hands of millions. And the question is no longer whether this technology will reshape our lives, but how and for whom. That is what brings us here today. We have organized 9 topic sections this year, covering AI world models, immersive arts and culture, healthcare, hardware, intelligent system, game, AI agents, and more. Together, they represent the full landscape of where XR's heading. We are also proud to welcome over 20 global speakers from companies like Snap Spectacles, Blizzard Entertainment, and Boston Dynamics and Adobe, etc. Each of them is shaping the future of this field, and we're honored to have them here with us today. And also huge thanks to our sponsors, the American Medical Extended Reality Association, Minimax, DUVR, Lemon Program on Creativity and Entrepreneurship, Petrichor, Zero.io. It is you who have helped us build such an excellent platform and step into a new reality together with everyone. So let me introduce this year's theme. This year, our theme will return to the intersection of XR and various fields and back to the essence of the mediums that shape spatial intelligence. And our theme is XR Plus from pixel to voxel. What is voxel? Just as pixels are the fundamental units of the 2D world, like everyone knows, voxels are the basic building blocks of 3D space. We will explore how these smallest spatial units influence the perception of spatial intelligence and how they shape the immersive technologies of the future. I would also like to share with you this year's key visual. Unlike previous years, we have moved from flat graphic design to the 3D voxel-based motion visual you see today. This visual captures the core spirit of our conference theme, from pixel to voxel. As you can see there, every particle you see here is a voxel. We built it in Touch Designer. As you can see, it begins as a simple spherical mesh. And then through voxel structures and mathematical operations, I broke it apart into countless particles, each independently controlled by computers. And the result is this ever-shifting, high-dimensional space of light and form, a transformation from pixel to voxel brought to life. So how does voxel affect technological life? For example, voxels serve as the basic unit for autonomous driving and robot environment perception, like everyone knows. By dividing those spatial data into voxel sets, robots can quickly identify objects and paths. In medicine, within CT and MRI scan images, voxel-based 3D segmentations helps doctors more accurately identify lesion areas supporting diagnosis and treatment plan development. And why from pixel to voxel? It highly aligns with XR, serve as the atomic capability for building 3D environmental perception and experience in XR. And it also has wide domain coverage. Its application scenarios include 3D environmental perception, rendering, generation, and beyond XR, it also covers AI, healthcare, etc., aligning with the interdisciplinary tone of the conference XR theme, XR Plus. And we want to explore how these smallest spatial units influence the perception of spatial intelligence and how they shape the immersive technologies of the future. Now, let's welcome Wenxin to further tell us about XR Plus.
Thank you, Ash, for introducing to this year's theme. So, XR Plus. This plus is not only about different industries coming together, it's also about engagement. How we connect with the work, which is other, and with the ideas in this room. So our first big part of engagement is showcase competition here. This year, we received more than 100 submissions from around the world. After an initial review, we select 6 teams in each track. They will be representing in the demo room as part of the pitch competition, and our judges will recognize outstanding work across 4 awards. And the 5th award is different. It's chosen by all of you, everyone here today. To make that possible, we're adding another layer of engagement, our digital map. Think of it as a digital wayfinding, but it is also your hub for the day. Scan the QR code on the slides or the QR code on the back of the name page. Audience member can log in with your email. If you are a speaker, sponsor, or representative, please log in using your lowercase name, as we have shared. So once you're on your personal page, tap on the vote button to support your favorite team. Each person gets 1 vote, and you can change it after you submit. Voting closes at 4:30, and we will announce the audience award at 5:40. So don't wait until the last minute. Second, we want to encourage you to actually sit on those amazing sessions, not just rush from room to room. So we build a passport check-in. Open the agenda, click for an event detail page, and check in with a photo to unlock the stamp for that session. Collect them as you go. It's a small way to experience more of what we have just programmed. So, sounds fun? Then let's talk about where all of this happens. So Piper, where we're right now, is the home base. Part of the session are happening here, and we are starting and end here. Room 101 in the other area is our second main lecture room for more talks. And the porticos on the other side of the building is where you will find invited XR team and our sponsor companies. Make sure you swing by between sections. And our agenda is here. Our agenda is to cover the full stack of XR today. We'll move through AI, double down on XR in creative design, art, and game, and spend real time on hardware, because none of this will work without any device and platform underneath. And for anyone who wants to build XR as business, or who is already in another business and want to take on an XR role or vice versa, we have brought in speakers who are in serious founders across healthcare, education, game, and beyond. So, special thanks to our partners, and huge shout out to our sponsors again for making Harvard XR possible at this scale. Thank you all for being here at Harvard XR 2026. Now, let's kick off this event. Get your information, get some inspirations, make your connections, and maybe secure your future collaborations. Let's go.